Going to continue the topic set. We will discuss the three objectives: how to find out the union of sets, how to find out the intersection of sets, and how to find out the difference of two sets. Let's move on the first objective: union of sets. Union of two given set is the smallest set which contain all the elements of both the sets. For example, let's set A is given 2 4 5 6 and set B is given 4 6 7 8. So what you have to do when you have to find out the union of two sets, in union of two sets, you have to join all the common and uncommon elements in one set and write the repeated elements in single time. As you can see here, the set A is given 2 4 5 6 and set B is given 4 6 7 8. So what you have to do, you have to join all the elements contained in set A and contained in set B, but if the number of elements are repeating terms, so what you have to do, you have to write only one time. As you can see here, a union B is equal to 2 4 5 6 7 8. Let's take another example based on union of two sets. Let A is equal to A, B and C, and set B is equal to, sorry for the curly signs, C, D and E. Okay, so how you will find out the union of two sets? You will write A union B. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to write the you have to join the all the common and the uncommon elements. Okay, so A, B, C. Okay, C is the repeating element, so you have to write only one time. Rest of the elements D and E. This is the way to find out the union of two sets. Again, I am repeating, union of two sets. How you will find out the union of two sets? You have to join all the elements, all the common and uncommon elements of set A and set B, and if any element is repeating, you have to write only one time, as you can see here. I am going to move on the next objective, intersection of sets. What is the mean of intersection of set? As we have discussed in the union of intersection, you have to join all the common and uncommon elements, and if any term is repeating, you have to write only one time. But here in the intersection, it is totally opposite. First of all, you have to remember the sign of the intersection is, you have to represent in this way. And second thing is, in the intersection you have to consider only the common elements, okay, contained in set A and set B. Like as you can see here, one example is given 2 3 4 5 6, and set B is given 3 5 7 9. So which one is the common elements in between these two sets? 3 is common, uh, 3 is common, 3 is common, and 5 is common. Okay, so your answer will be 3 and 5. Okay, so in the intersection, what you have to do, in these two sets, the element of 3 and 5 are common, so the set containing these common elements are 3 and 5 is the intersection of set A and B. Okay, like suppose that you have one more example. If like A is equal to A and B, okay, and set B is equal to B and C. So which one is the common element in between these two sets? Definitely it is B. So the answer will be B. And suppose that if there is no element in set A and set B, there is no any element that is common in between the set A and set B. So what you have to do, you have to write the empty set, mean null set. Okay, now I am going to move on the next objective, the third objective and the last objective, the difference of two sets. How you will find out the difference of two sets? So if A and B are two sets, then their difference is given by A difference B or B difference A. When you are going to find out the difference of A difference B, so you have to consider the set A, and when you are finding the B difference A, so you have to consider set B. So now we have one example. If A is equal to 2 3 4 and b is equal to 4 5 6. So what you have to do, so when you have to find the difference of two sets, so you have to cancel the same digit, and after cancellation we write the remaining element of set a. If you are finding a difference b, so what you have to do, you have to cancel the same digits, and after cancellation you will have to write the remaining element of set a. Okay, but and if you are finding the a b difference a, so what you have to do in b difference a, you have to cancel the same digit after cancellation, and then we have to write the remaining element of set b when you are finding the b difference a. So now here we have a difference, now we are going to find out the a difference b. So a difference b, we will cancel the same element because we are finding a difference, so our priority should be on a. So 4 we have to cancel any other element, the common element, no. So we are finding a difference b, so only 2 3 will be left. And suppose that if the same set is there and you have to find the b difference a, so what you have to do, you have to write the b set first, 4 5 6, a set here. So the same method you have to do b difference a, you have to cancel the same element, and because you are finding the b difference a, so first priority should be on b. So which one is the left elements, 5 and 6. So this is the way to find out the difference of two sets. Okay, so I hope it will be very easy for you when you will do the practice of this difference of two sets, intersection of two sets, and union of two sets.